Hello students, welcome back to KBI Academy online study channel. Myself Ramas Ismaria, your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to start our fourth lesson, carbon and its compound. As we know that elements are divided into two groups, metals and non-metals. And if the transfer of electrons takes place between metals and non-metals, the ionic compounds are formed, about which we have already learned in lesson 3rd. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about carbon and its compound. Carbon, which is a non-metal, and it is very important. We can understand the importance of carbon by the number of its compound. Carbon compounds are found very largely in this universe. In universe, either in air or in earth, the carbon is found in very less amount, but it is very important because it forms many compounds, and these compounds are very useful for us. In element form, carbon is found as diamond, graphite, coke, coal, charcoal, etc. So, today we will discuss the compounds of carbon which is formed, and this type of compound is formed by the sharing of electrons, and this compound is known as covalent electron. So first of all, we will discuss the bonding in carbon. So bonding in carbon, which is known as covalent bond. As we know that carbon atomic number is 6. So its electronic configuration will be 2 and 4. For carbon, it is very difficult to lose 4 electrons, because if it will lose 4 electrons, there will be only 2 electrons in its atom, and for 6 electron and 2 electron it is not possible. And for making octet also it needs 4 electron. If it will take 4 electron, so it will gain stability. As we know that all the elements want to become stable, for this transfers of electrons takes place, or the sharing of electron takes place. So 1, 2 or 3 electrons can be transferred, but 4 electron it is not possible to transfer. So it will, if it takes 4 electron, it will become 10 electron in the atom of carbon and only 6 proton, which is not possible. So sharing of electrons takes place in carbon, and due to this property, carbon has very large number of compounds by its covalent bond. Basically, covalent bonds takes place in non-metals like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Now I will show you how the covalent bonds are formed. For example, I will take hydrogen atom and how it forms covalent bond. So hydrogen molecule, formation of hydrogen molecule, we can say. Hydrogen molecule, as we know, which is H2, means two atoms of hydrogen will combine by each other and they will form hydrogen. So, as you know, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So, it has only one electron in its valence shell. So, let us, this is one electron of this hydrogen and this is one another hydrogen which is, and this cross is the electron of the second hydrogen. So, they will share this one electron to each other. If this hydrogen will share this electron with this hydrogen, it will gain 2 electrons. Like this. Now it is 2 electrons in the valence shell of this hydrogen, and this electron will be shared by this hydrogen atom, and the bond between two hydrogen atoms are formed, and thus hydrogen molecule are formed. This way, sharing of electrons takes place and bond formation occurs, which is known as covalent bond. So we can say that if the bond is formed due to the sharing of electrons, this type of bond is known as covalent bond. I will tell you another example for the formation of, let us say, chlorine. So Cl2, chlorine, as we know, Cl2, chlorine atomic number 17, so 287. In its outer shell or covalent shell, we can say that there are 7 electrons. If it will get 1 electron, it will get the stability and it will find the octet. So here 2 chlorine atoms are there. I will represent the electrons of this chlorine by dot, and here you can see 6 electron, and this one is 1 electron of this chlorine. So 7 electron, and here also, here I will represent it by cross, and this one 7th electron. Now when it will share 1 electron to this chlorine like this, now you can see that there are 8 electrons for this chlorine, and the same way this chlorine will share its 1 electron to this another chlorine, and the bond is formed between 2 chlorine, and this way it is formed chlorine. If the sharing of electrons are in single number, means only 1 electron is shared by 1 atom, that type of bond is known as single bond. Now I will tell you about double bond and triple bond. So now formation of O2, oxygen molecule. As we know that oxygen atomic number 8, its electronic configuration 2 and 6, means there are 6 valence electrons in its valence shell. So Here two oxygen atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 2 electrons. Like the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one 5 and this one 6. These are the 6 electron of one oxygen atom, and these are the 6 electron of another oxygen atom. Now both will share 2 electrons with each other, like this. Now you can see that for every oxygen atom there are 8 electrons, 4 and this one 4 for this oxygen atom, and this 4 and this one 4 for this oxygen atom. So they will get the stability and they will form the bond, and this way oxygen atom is formed. And this is, you can see that 2 electrons are shared from each atom, so it is double bond. Double bond is represented by 2 lines this way. Now I will show triple bond. As we know, nitrogen atomic numbers 7, 2 and 5. So you can see there are 5 valence electrons. So making it 8, we need 3 electrons. So this way here 3 electrons of this nitrogen, and here you can see 5 electron of this nitrogen and 5 electron of this nitrogen atom. So they will share 3 electrons from each other. Now you can see for this nitrogen 2, 3, 5 and 3, 8 electrons, and for this nitrogen 2, 3, 5 and 3, 8 electrons. So both have the valence electrons numbers are 8, and so they are stable, and this way nitrogen is formed. And here it is triple bond. So we write it nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. So this way formation of bonds takes place. Now I will show you another bond formation between carbon and other atoms, like methane. You know methane CH4. Means 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Carbon we know 2 and 4, and hydrogen 1, so its electronic configuration will be 1. For joining 4 electrons to hydrogen, carbon will share its 4 electron to 4 different hydrogen atoms, and it will form the methane. See how? Here carbon, this one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, on this one hydrogen. This hydrogen electrons are represented by cross, and carbon electrons are represented by dot. So now you can see that this way bond will be formed between the carbon and hydrogen. And this here. Now you can see for hydrogen there are two electrons for every hydrogen, and for carbon you can see two electrons here. Oh. And here also two electrons, two electron here and two electron here. So here it is 8 electrons for carbon and two electrons for hydrogen. So this way, by sharing of electrons, covalent bonds are formed and compounds are formed, which is known as covalent compound, and this is CH4 methane.